What's up everyone, MrTech here. Okay, so today I've got the Alba 2.8 mobile phone. It is one of the cheapest mobile phones you can buy, namely from Argos here in the UK. FM radio, VGA camera and dual SIM. So most people will buy it for the dual SIM. Okay, so let's crack on and unbox this thing. Okay, so firstly the mobile phone. Next, I'm pretty sure it's just a normal charger. One ear headphone. I don't know exactly what you call it. Okay, so it's a 1000 milliamp hour battery, but for this particular phone, this is going to last ages. Next, we got the instruction manual. Pretty simple, straightforward instruction manual. Okay, so back to the mobile phone. I'll just take it out of the packaging and have a look. First look, it's very black and very shiny, so that's one good thing. Pretty simple, nothing to it. A VGA camera on the back and a flash. Kind of useful flash if you want to use it as a torch or something like that. Okay, so the back cover is very hard to open. You can get your nails into the corner there and pull it apart, but the issue is the plastic's very thin, so it might snap, but there you go. It's got two SIM card slots, the slidey ones, and it's got a micro SD, so for MP3s. Okay, so I'm going to pop the battery in, turn it on for the first time. Take the screen protector off. It's always satisfying to take a screen protector off. There you go. Okay, so let's turn it on. It should be faster than smartphones. The phone interface is pretty straightforward. You got phone book, organizer, multimedia, which is MP3 basically. It might play videos, I'm not sure. Messaging, file manager, audio player, which is the MP3. So it is separate from the multimedia. You got the camera. I'll test it in a bit. Web browser, I'm pretty sure that's not really good. And a app zone, which has stuff like games, Facebook, Twitter, screenshot, voice record. The camera, pretty straightforward, not good for pictures, but it is what it is. The buttons feel very good though, you know, the keypad and everything like that feels very good, very responsive, pretty simple, basic. Elderly person might be able to use it, so pretty straightforward, good for calls and texts. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.